the last time you played. 1. Restart your PC, close the game and launcher completely, restart your computer normally, launch the game again after reboot. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher, go to the Game Properties section, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 3. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA app, AMD software, or Intel driver tool, install the latest graphics driver update, restart your PC after installation. 4. Lower graphics settings. Open the game settings menu, reduce textures, shadows, and effects quality, disable ray tracing or ultra settings. Number 5. Delete corrupted cache files. Press Windows R, type %local app data %, and press enter. Delete the game cache config folder. Number 6. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut, select Run as administrator, also run Steam Epic Launcher as administrator. 7. Disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Relaunch the game afterward. 8. Check system requirements. Make sure your PC meets minimum requirements. Check available RAM and GPU compatibility. Free up storage space if the drive is nearly full. 9. Install DirectX and Visual C++ files. Open the game installation folder, install DirectX runtime files, install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. 10. Reinstall the game cleanly, uninstall the game completely, delete leftover files manually, reinstall the game on an SSD if possible,